I'm at Holiday Haven in Swan Lake, which is situated on the south coast of New South Wales by the beach. This is a particularly large, oversized family cabin. As you come into the cabin, the first thing I noticed was the kitchen. You can see that the bench top is lowered. There is a glide under sink as well, and these items are nicely within reach. The cups and saucers are out of reach, and on request, they can have them lowered for you. There is a 6-seater dining table, as well as 2 sofas. You can see the coffee table is already moved out the way, and that just allows a good self-transfer if you are a wheelchair user. Within the accessible bedroom, and this is the one I recommend if you are a wheelchair user, there is plenty of circulation space to do a transfer onto the bed. Within the accessible cabin at Swan Lake, there is a wall-mounted shower seat, there are grab rails, and this was lowered and I didn't even have to ask. The amenities are nicely within reach as well, and there is grab rails leading right through to the accessible toilet. You'll notice the shower is all step-free, and over here on the left is a hook that is lowered, and you can see that there is a glide under vanity, and if you're seated in a wheelchair, the mirror is within reach. I have checked that for you. This is the second bedroom. There is good circulation space to be able to get through if you are a wheelchair user, but I do recommend using the other room. You can see lots of family space for kids and other family members, and it's just a nice oversized cabin. A feature I particularly like about this holiday park is the fact that they've got glide under barbecue amenities. So you can cook if you're a wheelchair user by simply gliding under the barbecue. Over here is the ramped access down through to the car park. And when you finish for the day, enjoy a beer and a glass of wine on the covered balcony. Directly across the road from Holiday Haven Swan Lake are some beautiful picnic areas and lots of level paths. Look with us and book with us at Holiday Haven Swan Lake, which is listed on accessibleaccommodation.com.